Welcome back. In this video we are going to have a look at how to log in and how to customize your dashboard. So let's start with the login process. Remember, you have to complete the registration form first. This link shown here will take you to the registration form that you need to fill in. After we have received this auto-generated form, because you're going to have to fill in this form like you see here and then submit it, I will receive an email, and then after confirmation of payment I will send you your login details for the website. Okay, so we're back at the website. We're going to log in, and I'll use my test account login. So you'll get a username, which normally would be your name or something alike that you've picked, and the password. The password is auto-generated and can be changed anytime you like. So after you've typed in your username and password, you just click on login. Okay, right. What you see in front of you at this moment is the dashboard. In other words, your dashboard. My dashboard would look a little bit different than this one, but in this dashboard you will see first the latest announcement, so site registration and how it works. That will give you this little thing that's from the front page. Let's click back to the dashboard. Then it shows you inkSMART. Click here to order. That's the same page that you've used here. If you want to order some more stuff, remember in this thing you can do multiple selections by using either the shift key or the control key to select the different courses and things you're interested in. Okay, that's for that form. Now there's upcoming events in this dashboard. At this moment nothing is listed for this month or next month, but there is something happening in, if you go down your calendar to March, you will see there should be something listed around March. Not yet. Okay, anyways, let's go on. Upcoming events, private files. This is your files. The latest badges that you received. Yes, for courses you will get badges, and how many online users there is at the moment. On this side of the dashboard you've got your navigational panel, the site home page, that would be the front end page, and then the courses that you're already registered for. This is your course that you're busy with at the moment. If you've got any courses selected and you've registered for a specific course, then what it shows you is everything involved in the course, from the orientation, all the little videos that you're going to have to work through, the questionnaires, and you'll see there's restricted. You have to go through some of these stuff before you can do some of these stuff. At some points you will also, when you go through questions and things, you will receive a badge. Badges is just to show you that you've completed up to a specific point. That's the badges available for the course, and it shows you the different badges for this course. There you go, and how to get these badges and how far you should get through this. Okay, so that's the badges. On this side you will see how many people are participating in the course at the moment. You will see the teacher and the different students for this course. Okay, competencies, if there's any competencies involved there, you will see that. Your grades that you received, it will list your grades here, and how well you did with through the course. And general stuff, just general information about the course itself, and then all the different areas of the course that you need to go through. This is everything you see from that side. Also, it will show you the list of other courses in here. So if you want to register for another course, say you're busy with starter course at the moment, so you want to go to notebook, Yep, it will show you the notebook course, but you've got no enrollment key for this yet. So you can say enroll me, and then you probably have to go back to that registration page on the dashboard. This registration, and click it there to enroll you for another course, or on the dashboard you can also click here and it will take you to the same page there, as you can see again. Then you can select another course that you want to enroll to also. Okay, this is what's going on the dashboard. So if you want to change some things around, you click on customize this page, and now you can say, okay, I want to these little things help you to open up. So now you're going to show course overview for the course that you have. So it will now show your courses. At this moment you're busy with that course. Okay, that's the first thing. So this little gear here will, when you select customizing the page, you can use this to change the settings, hide or delete or whatever, the block. I urge you not to delete these blocks because you're going to need it in the future. Okay, but you can add some other stuff too also. So if you want to move up and you say, well, my private files, I don't need to see them that much, but I want to move this one up, you just grab it by this little cross here, and when your mouse arrow changes to a little cross, then you can change it and you can move the blocks around like you want. After you've done that and you're quite happy with everything that's going on, you can stop customizing the page. It's really about that simple to do it. So stop customizing the page, and now let's see what you see. You've got something else now in your content section here. It shows you you're busy with this course and it's in process. Future nothing, past nothing. There you go. This is how you customize the page. Hope that helps. Thank you very much.